A very easy way to make your marketing dashboards more visual on Google Looker Studio is with shapes like lines, squares, or circles. In this example, I could use a line to draw a driver tree or a metric tree map or however you call it, where I can draw the relationship between metrics. And this visualization is very useful because it shows that my data is both strategic and tactical. Strategic when it is global, like the total sales, and tactical when my metric is very specific. And while I was saying all of this about tree maps, I created it. Now I will show you another shape. Instead of a line, I could draw, for instance, a square. So I will paste it right here and it is gray. I don't like it. I will change the color. It will be this purple. Maybe I will change it again. So I will make it gray. I will make it purple again, but I will send it back. So here the order will be sent to back. Now we will be in the back and in the front it will be my driver tree. And here is how you can add shapes and lines to your Looker Studio dashboards to make them more visual.